are the Tishby family, and we're located next to the Carmel Mountain region. We're fifth generation. Since 1882, we're at this region growing grapes and making wine. We make, let's say, 1 million bottles a year at this winery. And if you come and visit us, you'll see a chocolate room, chocolate tasting room, a bakery, a flour mill, barbecue pit, and Jeep garage. This winery basically started off from the vineyard. So my great-grandparents came from Lithuania and Russia, settled here in this region. And later on, the younger generation came about the business. And obviously, we started learning the profession of becoming winemakers, brandy distillers, and later on, restaurateurs. Well, I think Israel is a beautiful country, a must-visit country, and is well known in the Bible era. Olive oil, honey, and wine were the best things in Israel to have back then, and still today. The weather is perfect. We can grow just about anything around here, from wheat to wine. So we're still today farmers, grape growers, winemakers, and I think it's a wonderful place to be. My dream and my vision is to build a chocolate school. And the other thing, we're going to build an open space kitchen, a restaurant, self-service, but very high-end food, and people can walk around the premises and enjoy the theme park or shop and shop, but in a large scale. A bakery with a flour mill, chocolate room, chocolate school, restaurant. They can play around and see where they like to stay and learn and enjoy the surrounding.